Duplicating email funnels in Beacons.ai allows you to quickly clone existing funnel structures, automation rules, and content for reuse. This is essential for efficiently scaling your email marketing efforts without rebuilding everything from scratch. For example, duplication can reduce setup time from 10 hours to just 2 hours. This video will guide you through the process of duplicating, automating, and editing your email funnels in Beacons.ai for maximum efficiency. First, log in to your Beacons.ai dashboard. This gives you access to all your email marketing tools and funnels. Once logged in, navigate to the email funnel section in your dashboard menu. This is where all your existing funnels are listed. Locate the specific funnel you want to duplicate from your list of email funnels. Each funnel shows its name and basic details. In the Funnel Settings menu, click on the Duplicate or Clone option. This is usually found in the three-dot menu or settings icon next to each funnel. This action creates an exact copy of the funnel, including all email sequences, triggers, and associated landing pages. The duplicated funnel appears in your list with a copy suffix. The free tier allows basic funnel duplication up to 3 funnels, while Pro plans unlock unlimited clones and additional features. When you duplicate a funnel in Beacons.ai, all automation rules are automatically copied. This preserves the entire automated workflow without requiring manual recreation. The duplicated funnel includes all automation components, such as welcome series for new subscribers, drip campaigns that send follow-up emails over time, and triggers that activate based on specific user actions like clicking links or making purchases. To review and modify these copied automation rules, navigate to the Automation tab in your Beacons.ai dashboard. Here you can examine each trigger and make adjustments as needed. For example, you can adjust the timing between automated emails. If the original funnel had a 3-day delay between messages, you could easily change it to a 1-week delay by modifying the trigger settings. Beacons.ai supports different types of automation. Trigger-based automation responds to user actions, such as sending a welcome email immediately after someone subscribes. Scheduled automation follows a predetermined timeline, like sending weekly newsletters regardless of user behavior. The platform also supports conditional logic, allowing your automated emails to follow different paths based on how users respond. For instance, if someone opens an email, they might receive one follow-up sequence, while non-openers get a different reminder campaign. This creates personalized automation flows. By understanding and properly configuring these copied automation rules, you can ensure that your duplicated funnel continues to deliver personalized, timely communication to your audience, maximizing engagement and conversions. Once duplicated, you can modify all elements of the funnel to suit your new campaign. Use the built-in editor to change email templates. Modify subject lines to better engage your audience. Update calls to action to drive specific actions. Adjust visuals to match your brand. For more advanced edits, consider integrating with external tools like Canva for graphics. Use Google Analytics to track your funnel's performance. Your customized funnel is now ready for your campaign. Beacons.ai introduced an AI-powered smart clone feature in 2025 that optimizes your funnel duplication by analyzing user data. The feature suggests specific improvements such as A/B testing for subject lines and determining optimal send times to maximize engagement. For example, Smart Clone can suggest high-converting subject lines through A/B testing, as shown in this healthcare campaign where version B achieved a 70% open rate. This AI feature can significantly reduce manual editing time, cutting it from 10 hours to just 2 hours in some cases. By 2026, 60% of Beacons.ai users leverage AI for funnel cloning, with 40% time reduction reported. Looking ahead, AI tools will predict optimal edits based on past data, further enhancing funnel performance. Beacons.ai seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Zapier for automation workflows, MailChimp for email marketing, and ConvertKit for creator-focused campaigns. These integrations allow for advanced automation, such as triggering actions across platforms when a funnel is duplicated. Native CRM integrations enable automatic funnel duplication across multiple campaigns without losing data. This is crucial for maintaining customer relationships and ensuring consistent messaging throughout the marketing workflow. Increasing use of no-code tools allows for cross-platform duplication, such as linking Beacons.ai to Shopify for e-commerce funnels. This creates comprehensive workflows where funnel actions can trigger inventory updates or order processing automatically. These integrations can improve marketing efficiency by up to 70%, as shown in this graph, demonstrating the potential time savings from automated duplication processes. Before duplicating any funnel, it's crucial to review the analytics of the original. Check key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to ensure the funnel performs well before copying it. After duplicating and making edits, always conduct A/B testing to optimize performance. Compare different versions of your funnel elements like subject lines or call to actions to see what drives better results. When editing duplicated funnels, ensure your changes align with Beacons.ai platform policies. This helps avoid triggering spam filters and maintains compliance with email marketing regulations. Mobile-first editing is essential in today's landscape. Beacons.ai's mobile editor helps create responsive designs that look great on all devices, ensuring your duplicated funnels work seamlessly across smartphones and tablets. Finally, always test your duplicated funnels for compliance and performance. Verify they work across different devices and platforms, and ensure they meet all regulatory requirements before launching. Many creators and businesses have successfully used duplicated funnels for various applications. For example, influencers scale their campaigns for new product launches by duplicating existing funnels. Agencies duplicate client funnels to conduct A/B testing and achieve improved return on investment. E-commerce sellers adapt abandoned cart funnels for seasonal promotions to recover lost sales. Looking ahead, expect full AI autonomy and duplication, where the platform could auto-generate funnel variants. Industry experts predict Beacons.ai will expand into multi-channel funnels, combining SMS and email, driven by rising demand for omni-channel marketing.